The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, when I went to Miraj, the miraculous night journey, I met Ibrahim, peace be upon him. He said, send my salutation to your Ummah. Then, paradise is a beautiful garden, filled with greenery and flowing water. However, there is a place where merely evacuated, without trees and plants. If you want to plant a tree, then said, Glory be to Allah, all praise is for Allah, there is no God but Allah, Allah is the greatest, there is no might or any power except with Allah. So, let's plant trees as much as they want. For every word, in this kalima, a tree is planted in heaven.